To resolve this issue, click on the Start menu and type Advanced System. Once the View Advanced System Settings option appears, click on it. Under the Performance section, click on Settings, then navigate to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change and uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives option. Now, select a drive where you want to create virtual memory and choose Custom Size. In the Initial Size field, enter the recommended amount, and for the maximum size, input double the minimum size. Click on Set, then click on OK to confirm. Apply the changes and click OK once more. Finally, click on Restart to allow your computer to restart automatically. After the restart, check if the problem is resolved. If the issue persists, right-click on the problematic shortcut, select Properties, and navigate to the Compatibility tab. Click on Change Settings for all users, and check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for. Choose a compatible version from the drop-down menu. I recommend selecting Windows 8, and click OK. Test again to see if the problem is solved. Eric, I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.